When did you first use a smartphone? I got my first smartphone when I was in college. What apps did you use the most last month? I used YouTube the most. Did you learn anything new last year? Yes, I learned how to ride a bike. Did you find it difficult? Yes, it was difficult at first, but I improved. Did you wake up on time yesterday? No, I woke up late. Did the power go out last night? Yes, the lights went off around 8 pm. Did you forget your email password yesterday? Yes, I kept entering the wrong one. Did you reset it? Yes, but I struggled with the security questions. Did you finally log in? Yes, after trying so many times. Did you drop your phone yesterday? Yes, it slipped from my hand. Did the screen crack? Yes, it shattered badly. Did you got it repaired? Yes, I took it to the repair shop immediately. Did you get stuck in the elevator yesterday? Yes, it stopped between two floors. Did you call for help? Yes, I pressed the emergency button. Did you go to the park yesterday? Yes, I went there with my friends. Did you play any games? Yes, we played football. Did you enjoy it? Yes, we really enjoyed a lot. Did you see my message? Yes, I saw it in the morning. Did your earphones stop working yesterday? Yes, only one side was working. Did you buy a new pair? No, not yet. Did your parcel arrive yesterday? Yes, my parcel arrived yesterday. How was your first job interview? I was very nervous at first, but it went well. What questions did they ask? They asked about my skills and past experiences. Why did you visit the dentist yesterday? I had a toothache. Did you hear back from the company? Yes, they sent me a job offer. Did you accept it? Yes. Why didn't you reply to my messages? My Wi Fi wasn't working. What did you do all day? I read a book and played cricket with my friends. Why did you wake up late today? My alarm didn't ring. Why was there a traffic jam yesterday? The traffic lights were not working. How long did you wait? I was stuck for almost an hour. How was your office presentation? It was a bit embarrassing. Why? What happened? I forgot my points and had to check my notes. Did you ever get scammed online? Yes, I ordered trousers, but they never arrived. What did you do? I tried to contact customer service, but they didn't reply. Did you meet your old friend? Yes, almost after a decade. Did you see the rainbow? Yes, it was beautiful. Did you miss the bus yesterday? Yes, I missed it because I left home late. How long did you wait for the next bus? I waited for about 15 minutes. What did you buy from the store yesterday? I bought some fruits and vegetable. What did you cook for lunch? I cooked pizza. Why did you visit the bank last week? I want to deposit some cash. Did you face any issues at the bank? I had to wait for an hour. Did you complete your work successfully? Yes, everything went well in the end.